Alright, so we're finally in the church, but this is an adventure game, so you always need to look behind you. And I never showed off what these hell demon pits are, so let's do that.
Sweet.
Yeah, those are not friendly, and they take a hunk out of your health. And another ghostly ghost story collectible.
It's another Saw sequel, apparently.
But tish. Yeah, and this part of the balcony is not accessible until later. Also, the organ is like half consecrated. We can send in part of it.
They were lazy.
And note on the historical plaques, like some of them are like real history, and then some of them are just kind of made up stuff. So, I don't know.
Find one plaque and it says, "This whole town's historical."
Everything's history if you think about it.
Yeah.
And we can show off our ability to take no fall damage, because we're a ghosty boy.
Being dead has its perks.
I bet. So yeah, here's this creepy ghost just holding a shoe and always staring at this woman.
Ugh.
Yeah. Although he does have a tie on, it's formal.
Did she find this as creepy as I do?
Oh, no. She never
Oh my God.
Where's the fun in that?
So
If you select that
I was the
can't
only
smell
one who
good,
appreciated
he
her.
begs to differ.
Not like all those strangers she
So
met at the
creepy?
bars, those
Creepier.
animals.
Yeah.
That's why I had to get rid of them. I did it for us.
looks like one of them didn't go so quietly.
No.
Ugh.
They were all too drunk to put in much of a struggle. This happened while I was watching her. I didn't realize I'd backed into a snowbanker. I never smelled the exhaust.
I
Suddenly I was
have
here.
no comment.
Yeah,
To be honest,
there's not much to say
it's
other
the
than
best
just
thing that ever
sigh.
happened to us. No more pesky walls or locks.
In general, this game does
Not
a
to watch
good
it.
job of not getting too creepy, though.
Watch
So
her every move.
Ugh.
Forever.
this is them indulging themselves.
And he's gonna have
So,
that
yeah,
shoe
we're-
forever.
We're just gonna slowly walk away. So, yeah, right now I'm trying to get a look at her button, but you can't really get a good look of it here. I'll talk about it later.
They really could have stood to make the memories a different color than the other ghost stuff.
Isn't there a clue about the church and the apartment?
Yeah. So there's all these clues. So at first you'll be like, what? Oh, the church is what I should talk about for the church. And we got this
Do you have anywhere
information just like a couple minutes ago.
The church is always your dad.
I don't
think
think
we have an
the
order.
game
You
does
can
not
stay.
trust you to
As long
remember.
as you like.
Ronan has memory problems.
Staying in the attic? I better go check it out.
Ace detective.
So I don't know why the priest is letting her stay in the attic. I mean, I don't know. It's like, can't you just find a back room? Why does it have to be the attic?
She's a punk girl. That's kind of her thing.
Oh yeah, she wants it. Also, ghost crows. Jiggly ghost crows. I don't really know why they exist. Did some crows die? Well, I don't know.
Looks like the comic book The Crow. Brandon Lee's gonna show up any minute now.
Hey, it's okay.
He said as
Just
she
don't go near
stood
them.
right there.
I couldn't look anymore. I had to stop it. Those hands, they tore at my soul, at my mind. It's your eyes.
Like,
They
we
get
could,
in
like,
through your
help
eyes.
pull her out or whatever, but...
Just calm down. You're not making any sense.
Shh.
What?
Quiet, insane laughter.
You.
Yeah, she went stereotypically insane.
She's praying what I'm thinking. It's getting dangerous out there with all these murders.
At least for your safety.
At least I'm not alone.
A lot of prayers going up right now. Not just hers.
God. I hope this is helping. If there's someone up there...
So, we're about
start
ready to
protecting
get
us.
the most important document in the game. Gronin's Fedora.
What does she think about it? It's terrible.
Yeah. She got it for him, so I don't know why she isn't in hell right now. Also, I'm genuinely surprised he didn't wear it to the wedding.
Instead, he wore a white tuxedo.
Promise.
It's like
I never
prom
regret
night.
it.
He's just full of unfortunate fashion choices.
Yeah. Some later videos, I'm going to have to put all the collectible stuff in a second video because there's so much.
Damn.
Yeah. So, yeah, possessing people has its uses, like getting across these pits, but you cannot depossess people while reading their minds. So
So he's got to finish humming.
yeah, he isn't humming though. This is in his mind. He is mentally humming.
He is that pure a priest. No dirty thoughts here.
Yeah, like he can think about humming, but he's not going to actually indulge in it. Indulge in humming.
He allows himself nothing.
The attic must be up there.
Also, like little weird child ghost. Like I've played through this game, and this ghost is just always the one I remember because of how weird it looks.
Yeah, it's kind of hunched over. Damn, that is some wallpaper.
Yeah.
Another convenient memory.
Yeah.
Because arrows would be too obvious.
Just arrows are way too obvious. And
I don't know.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Brian is a lovely boy, but I worry about his family.
Well, his mother does seem to be a bit of a heartbeat, but Brian's worth
So yeah, they're planning a wedding around here.
I hope my wedding is
So
stressful.
there's just a bunch of people talking about it.
It's so
Whoa,
simple to
subtitle
be a
to freaking
nice
out.
person. Why can't everyone do
Well, I just noticed that myself. Those were just like in the game too, so I think it was because I was possessing them, so they had those subtitles from me reading their mind on top of them talking, and the game just didn't know what to do.
Truth is a hard
This kid.
plunge.
Yeah, I mean, she's young though, so this is like 14-year-old edgy poetry.
Only she's dead, so it's forever.
Yeah. I have to make sure to get all of these SARs now because it'll be a while until we can get back here.
Shoot, cat, get out of here.
So yeah, kitty, 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 kitty.
Best part of the game.
Yeah.
Events okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Just regular maintenance.
Meow, 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 meow.
It's big enough for small animals to go
And
hiking in.
the cat
So we
looks
just have to make sure none of the
weird,
little
kinda,
critters get
like
trapped in there.
straight on. Also, lasagna. We're going for
Awesome.
the
Probably don't want to
Oh
hear
wait, now
about
there's
the
literally
heat
arrows.
preparation.
Wow.
Yeah. Also, those guys are talking about like dead animals getting caught in the vent, but that vent was like 6 inches wide. I don't know what would happen.
Shit.
Yeah. And being a kitty cat is actually good for fighting
But seriously, now,
demons
you call this a
because they
centerpiece?
won't attack kitty cats.
Damn, they are high alert. Went from 0 to attack in like a split second.
Look at that. Just look at it. You call that pure?
Also, I didn't realize this until like after I recorded. But as a cat, you can get close enough that you can just immediately go into attack without having to leave the cat.
Ooh, nice.
Authentic Puritan
Yeah.
is organic, rusty.
Kitty cat is the pro strat.
If only we could have him for the entire game.
Yeah. Yeah, the long way straight on that goes nowhere with nothing in it, so...
And no one reacts to the cat.
Yeah. I mean, his front 2 paws are hovering in air, so...
Demon cat.
Yeah, maybe they don't want to acknowledge it just because, you know, what are you going to do? Do you have to take it to the vet? It's not your cat.
What am I worried about? Nothing.
So this guy totally wasn't here before.
Well, we had to go and smoke.
And he wasn't, like, anyway, we just came to the church specifically to smoke. Also, you don't have to press me out to, like, jump and stuff, but I always do.
I would be constantly pressing Meow.
Yeah.
My cat would have kitty Tourette's.
Honestly, thank the devs for putting in Meow buttons. That's something special. Yeah, these cats can also walk up at a 90-degree angle. I don't have cats. Are they like 0G?
Maybe this cat really is magic.
Also, like, Ronan has a kitty cat tattoo. I don't know if that's supposed to mean anything, but...
It's his spirit animal. And he becomes a spirit in an animal.
There she is, finally.
Why do I always lose my keys when I need to leave?
How can I get through to her?
She is, like, the edgiest 90s teen. Or maybe 80s, I don't know.
Just generic punk in general.
Yeah.
So get the hell out! God damn it, if you ever possess me again, you have no right to dump your unfinished business on me.
Now, I'm tracking down my killer, okay? Someone who was seconds away from attacking you about an hour ago, and if... Wait a minute. You can see me? And hear me? Holy shit. You're a medium. Well, ain't I the luckiest guy in the world? I just found the perfect little helper.
What is it with you guys and my family? Helping the cops do their job is not some privilege. It's a trap. I'm not your informant, your partner, or your friend. I don't owe you. If anything, you owe me. Dick.
Yeah, I get it. You're tough, okay? But you're not tougher than him. You saw what he can do. He's coming after you, or someone close to you. Whoever he wants dead is lucky to still be alive. Now, I know what I'm doing, and you can help me stop him. All you have to do is answer some questions.
Look, I'm sorry. What happened to you is horrible. And you saved my life, so what do you want?
Her favorite movie is Meme Girls. I'm not proud of that joke. So, like, I don't understand what these ghosts are doing in the attic. Also, there's a guitar right there.
That's a weird little tableau. Oh, demon pit.
Later in the game, you can see like posters for the museum that will include that drawing, and I don't know what's up with that. Maybe just reusing assets.
It could be.
I was murdered tracking that son of a bitch to your place. So why would he be looking for you?
That freak was probably looking for my mom. Not me. I'm a nobody. Invisible. My mom and I tried very hard to keep it that way. Not everybody wants to be noticed, you know.
Looking for your mom. What does that mean?
She's like me, but she found a way to make a respectable living off of what we can do. Living that probably turned her into a target.
Respectable living?
Yeah. Hey, you might know her. She was working the Bell Killer case with the cops as a contract psychic, a profiler.
Sorry, kid. She doesn't ring any bells.
I found this in the apartment tonight. Mentioned something about some Bell Killer book. And it's in her handwriting.
Bell Killer book. If she was a profiler, it's probably the book she kept all her case notes in. That would be at the station.
Really? I'm telling you, I'm out of here soon.
So where's your mom, kid?
Probably dead. She would never just leave me without saying a word. Never. I don't know where she is. I know the Bell Killer had something to do with her disappearance. Him showing up tonight just proves it.
If he killed her, why would he come back to her place?
I don't know.
Look, assuming the worst never helped no one.
Fine. Don't talk. See what I care.
Why don't you live there?
Because of people like you always asking for help. Trying to connect one last time with your loved ones or resolve some crazy problem. I love my mom, but I can't live in one place for too long or people like you will find me too easily.
I wasn't home much either growing up. I know that's rough.
All right. What were you doing at your apartment?
I live there, Sherlock. Well, I used to, whatever. My mother has been missing for a few days. I don't see her that often, but she never just disappears. Not like this.
Have you ever seen my killer before tonight? Do you have any idea who he is?
You cops are so hard up on clues that you're actually asking people if they know who the killer is. Now I get why you need so much help.
I'm not asking people. I'm asking the witness whose life I just saved. You're not safe alone. You need someone watching over you. Us cops find missing people. I found you, and I can help you find your mom. Your problem is now my problem, too.
No way. Don't get me wrong, you saved my life, and okay, I can't pay that back, but your problems are your problems, and mine are mine. There they are. Good luck. You're gonna need it. Have a nice afterlife.
Whoa, wait a minute. Don't go yet. Just stop for a second, will you? We're on the same side. If your mother's involved, we need to work together.
Work together? What are you gonna do? You're dead. I'll handle it. Just leave me alone!
I bet she knows more. I can't let her get away. There's gotta be another way down.
Wait, the elevator says it's at level 1.
Yeah, it's a very fast elevator.
Whoa.
Yep, oh, yeah. I made a mistake there. I was trying to get to the kitty cat the fastest way possible. Also, the cat does not like it when we possess it. Like, look at that body language. And yeah, I had to do some editing here to make sure I got that one collectible. So I can tell you all a ghost story. Which doesn't directly have anything to do with saws.
Aw, I was hoping for something sorted.
I think it's called the Bell Tower Banshee. Even though it really doesn't have to... There's nothing Banshee in it, but... Also, now the elevator's on level 3.
Damn.
Maybe she was nice and she sent it back up for us. Or for the cat.
Wait! Come back!
Leaving so soon, dear?
Yeah, sorry. I'll be back. Don't wait out, Father.
Be careful out there, my child.
Got some lens flare coming off of the demon pit. And, yeah, in order to get him to come back out here, we have to blow up his vacuum. And, you know, I kind of like this. It's a...
When she calms down,
they're doing some interesting
we'll ask
things
her
with
why she
possessing
hasn't
people,
stayed
at
here.
least.
It's too bad you can't, like, throw stuff around or something.
Yeah, the closest you can get to that is turning on a fan and having papers go all over the place. Or making a latte or whatever it's called machine just explode.
Oh, so that's what the crows are for.
Yeah, we can use them to distract demons who would just yell at crows. They won't kill them, they'll just yell at them.
You'd think, this being a church, there would be no demons in here.
Yeah, but I mean, we got in here, so we're worse than they are. See, it's just like a screaming match.
Come on, crow.
Yeah. I guess if I was going to live forever, I might yell at some crows. I don't know. Also, there's a cut here because I failed the QTE and the demon started chasing me, and that just went on for a little while.
So you can't just sneak by them without hiding at a ghost shadow thing?
Damn it. Now what? Jesus. So, where'd she go, huh?
So now we have to give the cat some evidence.
Please, Cat, just solve this for me.
Leave now, find my book at the station, and don't look back.
Yeah. She's headed to the police station to steal some book. She'll blend in well there. Did you know her mother worked for the police? Fine. Don't tell me. Puss. Time to head back to the station.
So, yeah. I'm thinking about putting collectible stuff in different episodes after the one after this. And my dog's right here.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Cat.
Yeah, yeah, the power of Cat. I made sure to leave some extra room for the fedora so people could, yeah, read if they wanted to. She said he'd never take it off, and he never did.